This video is sponsored by SetApp. So you just installed iOS 13, but you don't know where to start? Well, here are 8 tips that will get you up to speed. And also, don't miss out on the bonus tip at the end. Are your eyes super sensitive to light? Use your phone in the dark a lot, or maybe you just want your iPhone to look a little bit different for once? Well, give the new dark mode a try. Apps and settings will now have a dark theme and will certainly help reduce the strain that a bright screen might cause on your eyes, and it also just looks really cool. To turn dark mode on, head into the settings menu and you'll find it under display and brightness, or you can long press the brightness slider in Control Center to toggle dark mode on too. There are new gestures on your iPhone or iPad in iOS 13, and I highly suggest you learn these to make your life a lot easier. To scroll faster, instead of swiping, grab the scroll bar on the right side and drag it up or down. Selecting text has never been easier. Just drag a finger over text to select it, or double tap to select a single word, triple tap for an entire sentence, and quadruple tap to select an entire paragraph. To move the cursor when writing a note or email, just stick your finger on it and drag it wherever you want. It's that easy. Cut, copy, and paste might be best reserved for a larger device like an iPad, but it works across all iOS devices. Pinch down with 3 fingers to copy, pinch up with 3 fingers to paste, and pinch down with 3 fingers 2 times to cut. To undo or redo, swipe with 3 fingers to the left or right. And to select multiple items like messages, files, or folders, tap with 2 fingers and then drag. Next, you should configure these settings. Silence unknown callers will automatically silence calls from numbers that are not stored in your contacts. No more spam numbers blowing up your phone. It's a lifesaver. Do you have hundreds or maybe thousands of Safari tabs open at once? Don't worry about trying to close them out yourself. Just set up automatic Safari tab closing. Now Safari tabs can automatically close after 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. Lastly, we have optimized battery charging, which helps reduce aging by having your iPhone learn your routine and will wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. Messages profiles are new to iOS 13, and your profile will be shared with people when you converse with them. iOS 13 will ask for permission, but you can share your profile with people so that your name and photo appear on their phone even if your number is not in their contacts. Next up is the QuickPath keyboard, which is Apple's fancy way of saying that it's added swipe gestures for typing. You can now slide to type, dragging your fingers over the letters instead of tapping them one by one as you would normally do. Memoji and Animoji are now available on all devices with iOS 13 installed in the form of stickers for those devices without a Face ID camera. There's a new Animoji stickers app in the app drawer in Messages, where you can choose from already available Animoji characters in a variety of poses, or you can create new Memoji stickers that look just like you. The Photos app has a ton of great editing tools for your pictures, but now you can edit videos the same way you would edit a photo. You can trim your videos, add cool effects, adjust the aspect ratio, and more, all within the Photos app. Finally, Maps in iOS 13 added a feature that's a ton of fun to play around with called Look Around. Think of it as Apple's version of Google Street View. Look Around lets you get a street-level look at what's around you or what you search for, which is great for scoping out restaurants, shopping, and more. Tapping a location will trigger a cool zoom effect and is honestly a great way to explore an area before traveling. Bonus tip, Apple has standardized 3D Touch across all devices in iOS 13 and is now available in the form of a long press. Just long press wherever 3D Touch is supported. Not sure where it's supported? Don't worry, no one does. Before we end today's video, I do want to give more information about this month's channel sponsor, SetApp. SetApp is one of the best places to find new and useful applications for your Mac. SetApp packs over 150 Mac apps into just one. Every apps developer on SetApp provides full support and seamless updates for their creations so that you can focus on yours. Since data is largely cloud-based, it only makes sense that apps should be too. SetApp installs and uninstalls apps instantly while retaining your settings so that you own it all without hogging space. There are so many useful applications that I use on a daily basis like Paste, Zip, Downy, and much more, with new apps being added constantly, as well as consistent free updates to existing applications. Use SetApp completely free for the first week to see if it fits with you and your workflow by clicking the link in the description down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.